got going on. I got another set, one more set to do on this thing. It will be pretty close to straight for my box. And I will be making another set top for this with a mesh screen on top. So y'all see, man, we're going at it. Let's get this next one finished. Alright, man, so we got the deck top lids finished. Now it's time to start wrapping these bases, man. Man, just watch me work. All right, man, so we got one pod completely wrapped, man. As y'all can see. And then we got one more left, man. So we're gonna have this thing, we're gonna wrap this thing tomorrow, but I do have the lid wrap. But man, y'all see it. Y'all see what we're going with this, man. So, man, I'll start on this next one and y'all just stay tuned, man. JRB. All right, man, we're getting this last pod box wrapped, man. Y'all can see, let my glue set up real quick. And we're gonna get this thing wrapped up, man. And I'm gonna show y'all the final results once I get done. Stay tuned.
That's the best whole cutting blade right there. Split it.
I need a hoodie to it warm up, man.
I know his ass cold.
I ain't even like okay.
Hey, you hit that one once, and he hit it.
I ain't hitting that one, did it?
Shit. Come on, Shaggy Van. Yes, sir. My boy Tyler, look, he fit that motherfucker, look.
Already.
Yeah, that's what we do right here. You know what I'm saying? That's a clean motherfucker, though. That's some big clean to the motherfucker. Oh, yeah, you fit for that, bro. Hey, that motherfucker clean, G. Alright, man, this is the van we about to work on, guys. Y'all can see, man. We about to put some work in. Stay tuned. Let's get it. Audio mechanic right there, man. What up, Top? Remember that name right there, G. Remember that name.
So they're They're if you run water or like a hose outside of the car.
Corners, baby. Corners. Alright, man, so we got them set in here. So this is what we looking like.
When we should ride swangers and put dollars in our niggas. I'm drinking out my lemonade till it look like a bitch. See, I come from the D where we got shades and we be flexing. If you ain't from my state, then you should know don't put the Hey, we always say we keep our witness. My mama from the A, she slowed it